Welcome to the Wealth Secrets channel. In today's video, I will share about 7 sacrifices you must make if you want to be rich. Why do you want to be rich? It can vary. Maybe you want the things money can buy, like the latest smartphone or a trip to the beach. Or maybe you want to have a comfortable lifestyle and afford to pass down wealth to your children. But how do you get there? What does it take? The truth is that being rich requires much more than just hard work and determination, though these things certainly do help. True wealth comes from making sacrifices in other areas of your life to achieve your financial goals. These sacrifices are short-term, but in return, what you can benefit from are long-term rewards. So keep watching this video until the end because you are going to know about these sacrifices, what they look like, and why you must make them if you want to be rich someday. And I'm about to share a bonus with you at the end. Before kicking off, if you believe you can be rich someday, don't hesitate to hit the like button now. Turn on the notification bell to be notified every time we upload one. Most importantly, if you want to watch more videos related to wealth secrets, make sure to hit the subscribe button. If you are all set, then let's get started. The first one, saying no to instant gratification. The first sacrifice you must make is being patient. This may seem easy from some, but it's not. Because it takes a lot of discipline and self-restraint to say no to instant gratification. You may ask why delayed gratification is important and what can I benefit from it. If you can go in with the denial of instant gratification, it will help you save up more and spend less. Also, it helps you achieve your financial goal faster. The only way that success will come to you is if you keep going through the tough times even though it may be hard. There are many ways to take advantage of your patience. For example, you could start a savings account at your bank and deposit all of your extra money into it so that when it comes time for a big purchase like an expensive car, a home improvement project, or a vacation with friends, etc., that you have enough saved up already under your emergency fund allocation. Number 2, investing in yourself. Successful people can use investing in themselves by reading books or digital courses, for example, that teach them something new. Learning something new allows them to stay up to date on trends and changes in their industry, which is critical for continued growth. For instance, Warren Buffett mentioned that investing in yourself is the best thing you can do. Warren Buffett also mentioned before, there is one thing even better than investing in a stock: investing in yourself. You can only get rich if you're willing to learn, grow, and change. Regardless of the level of success you're currently experiencing, you must always be open-minded and willing to adjust your attitude or behavior when necessary. If you think you are open-minded enough and want to make money online to increase your income, feel free to click the links down below after watching this video. Here is the number 3. Being okay with being uncomfortable. There are 2 kinds of individuals in the world: those who accept that they must make sacrifices to get what they want, and those who think they can't. You may ask, why is it important to be okay with being uncomfortable? Tony Robbins mentioned before, if you learn how to be okay with being uncomfortable, you will truly grow. Also, you will only get something done if you are willing to sacrifice. It's the same thing as running a marathon. It will be hard and comfortable. But if you want something bad enough, you need to suck it up and keep going. It doesn't mean that every day will be this way. It may only happen once or twice a year at max. But these are the moments where you can show how strong-willed and determined you are by getting through those tough moments. Number 4, accepting that success takes time. Success takes time, and it takes work to get rich. It doesn't happen overnight. It would be best if you were committed, worked hard, and stuck to the plan to make your dreams come true. The one thing that I've learned from Messi, the captain of the Argentina national football team, success takes time. He spent more than 70 years leading the football team to win the World Cup trophy. Besides, you must not just set out on your own with the hope of making millions overnight. It will take a lot of work, and along the way there will be a lot of disappointment when things don't go according to plan. But if you're willing to follow through with your plans and stay focused on them until they're realized, success will eventually find you. Before going to the 5th key point, if you feel like you've gotten the value so far, then make sure to smash the like button and the subscribe button. Number 5, focusing on your goals. No one is born rich in the majority. However, to be rich, you must be prepared to make sacrifices. Before achieving true wealth, you must focus on your goals and consider what is important in life. Sooner or later, you will discover that there are lots of distractions or temptations around you. You need to say no or keep a distance from them so that you can have more time to focus on your goals. For example, you will discover that there are lots of people who tend to go out for celebrating festivals or wasting time on social media or spending time on TV or Netflix instead of squeezing more time into focusing on goals. Number 6, being disciplined with your spending. Being disciplined with your spending is one of the sacrifices you must make if you want to be rich. It's not always easy, but it will pay off in the end. You may ask why being disciplined with spending is important and what can I benefit from it. Once you can pay off your debt and save a certain amount of money, then you can invest so that you can accelerate your wealth creation. Also, you will have more money for retirement and your children can go to college without crippling debt. It may appear to be a lot of effort, but it's worth it. You will be able to buy a house or car, pay off your debts, save for retirement, and reinvest in yourself so that when you finally retire, you can live comfortably without worrying about money. To be disciplined with your spending, you need to ensure that you're not spending money on things that don't produce value for your life. For example, if you are a student who wants to save money for college, don't spend money on frivolous items like going out or buying clothes just because they are fashionable. Instead, focus on learning about how to save money so that when it comes time for college, you will be ready with a plan for how much money you want to use each month towards tuition and other expenses. Number 7, working hard even when you don't feel like it. Working hard even when you don't feel like it can be a sacrifice you must make if you want to be rich. Whether it's a sacrifice to your mental health, physical health, or other areas, you need to find the motivation to push through. For example, imagine it may help develop your career in the future or any other favorable factor. Although paradoxically, you will find some people in reality sacrifice their health to gain more overtime pay. At the same time, some people sacrifice their money for health. If you insist on working a day job, you will have days where you don't feel like getting up in the morning and going to work. But if you want to live a wealthy life, this is one of the sacrifices that must be made. Now, if you are still watching this video, here is your bonus as I've mentioned at the beginning. Are you ready? If yes, Then let's go. Number 8. Making the decision to become wealthy. Deciding to become wealthy is a sacrifice you must make if you want to be rich. If you have an average income, likely you will need more money to become wealthy. However, if you're willing to make sacrifices, you have many opportunities. You need to take a leap of faith and act. To become wealthy, you should start by ensuring that your career path will allow you to earn a good income. This will ensure you can save money and put it away for retirement or other expenses. After this step, it's time for you to start taking control of your finances so that they don't control you anymore. Refrain from letting anyone tell you what you should do with your money because they may not have all the facts when they offer their advice. Only you know what works best for you. If you want to discover how to make money online to earn more income, feel free to click the links down below now. If you want to know more about Rich, check out this playlist to discover more. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.